guys. So I just got back from the winter ILD event that my comm had, and I wanted to show you guys my coordinate. So first off, this is Ave Maria from Baby the Stars Shine Bright. I got it in the Saks. I bought it secondhand. I love this dress. I'm actually wearing it with an underskirt. It's the same sort of blue. So that's the underskirt, and that's the regular dress. And I paired it with an Innocent World blouse. And these two necklaces. It's a perfume bottle necklace that you can fill with real perfume. And this is a antique cherub baby necklace. So, also, this is my real hair. What I typically do is the night before is I braid it and so it looks kind of crimped because it gives my hair more body. So then I don't have to wear a wig with my bonnet because I feel like it gets a little too hot for that. So the first thing was they did a raffle, and I won this. It's like a cute, like a lipstick chapstick holder, and you can stick it on your purse. So I'm going to open this up and show you. It's really cute. It's kind of like Sailor Moon-esque. It's really cute. I like it. See? Pretty cute. And the other thing was my boyfriend had come with me, and he won something too. I didn't think he would win anything, but he did. He won a lovely clip for himself called It's a Magical Story. It's a little key clip, and he actually wore it in his hair. It was funny. And it's that kind of like beret style clip. It's really cute. Yeah, I like that a lot. So the event was really fun. The gift baggies had this little embroidered handkerchiefs with them, and it says ILD 2017 on it. And it has a little macaron squishy, which was nice. And this little guy who had been eyeballing me. Isn't he funny looking? Oh my gosh, it's like really squishy. And it's like a little rice ball. It's cute. So that is all, and I just wanted to say that it was really fun this year. It was the first year where I wasn't actually running the event, but I got to just participate in terms of, like, you know, buying tickets and going, and just as like a guest, or not a guest, but as a like going as a comm member, not someone who's hosting. So it was nice. I liked that. I liked the being able to dress up again. I haven't dressed up in a while, so it was nice. But yeah. So, thank you guys. Bye.